Did you know that crabs can actually tear off their own limbs? Sounds crazy, right? But it's not some kind of crab madness. It's a survival trick called autotomy. When a crab gets caught by a predator, it can simply drop a claw or a leg to escape. The lost limb keeps wiggling, distracting the attacker, while the crab makes a quick getaway. And here's the coolest part. After a few molts, the missing leg or claw grows back completely. Nature really said, who needs spare parts when you can just regrow them? So next time you see a crab missing a claw, don't feel bad. That little genius probably just outsmarted death.